Okay, let's read. My friend Jack, he tall and fat. He got blue eyes and short blonde hair. I like him very much. This my friend Sally. She short and fat. She got black eyes and medium brown hair. I got medium brown hair and black eyes too. We look like each other. I'm so happy. Now who wants to come to the blackboard? Kabi? My friend
is Jack.
Go and try. Very well. Read.
My friend is Jack.
Thank you. Stevie Mick. Next. He tall and fat. He tall and fat. Bianca.
He is tall and fat.
Very well. Read.
He is tall and fat.
Thank you. Miruna. He has got blue eyes. Hair. Very well. Thank you. Sebi the big. Sebi the big. Yes, you. This. No. Read the last one. I like him. Asha. Very much. Shakuma următoarea. This.
This is. This is my friend Sally.
Sally. This is my friend Sally.
This is my friend Sally.
Thank you. Raluka.
She is short and fat.
She is.
Short and fat.
Very well. Thank you. Next. Catalina.
She is good.
She.